You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, I drop me a minute. Booping at them, they don't know it's a girl American. I'm here with another banger movie and public report official. Yeah, in the rich today, broke tomorrow. I would say a walker come. I would say.
Hey!
One pinky
Alright, guys. We're gonna see what we know say. It's a banger movie this year come with dog. Alright, so Martha just told you a movie name. Rich today, broke tomorrow. Make sure some of the right thing, guys. Subscribe, like, leave a comment and share.
Hit the notification bell.
Exactly. Love
Tell
you
a friend
guys.
to tell a friend. We out.
To subscribe. To subscribe yet.
Cause if wish today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. I live my life like I just win the lotto. My dream, buy big Benz and dress me, shell every bar like a crime scene. Do you know what I mean? Know what I mean? Wish today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. Me I live my life like I just win the lotto. So me I go come millions, got me gal on the billion. She a act so silly, so me Africa Shelly belly big pop and love the way she whine, love the way she take outside. Get to use, get to tree, public report, because if me race today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. Me I live my life like me just win the lotto. Hey, ain't no Ponzi scheme, this is just a dream. Yeah. Cause if me race today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. One life to live, one mouth to feed, yeah. Pasta, burger, chicken, pizza, curry goat, still none yam no pork. Goodbye my grill, see you until me broke again.
You can't check back now.
What happened? What?
Let's stay, sir.
What still do? How stay?
Aggressive.
Eh?
You can't smile. Attitude to every day.
Me I come from my business. And
So
me
you
have one
happy to see-
problem.
you happy to see, brother?
Me never say me not happy to see you, you know.
But
Me
that's
just
not
not
fair,
see
yes,
you
man.
right now. And me I come from my
Yeah.
business. And you stop me. What you say now?
Thing I come to you about today.
Eh? Which important thing?
Yeah, man, say still, I'm glad to see you. Do me like you look, you know. Your skin look bright and pretty and such, you know.
You talk like a pervert now. You talk like a pervert now. Me your sister for Christ's sake. Don't tell. Don't tell. So me I live in the same place and you tell me about me look bright. What them words that come from out your mouth now? What happened? What you look for me for? Eh? Talk.
I'm like me. I'm not going to look fine. I'm not going to look fine because I'm not going to snap. But anyways, me, I say, I want to think about a little investment I'm going to talk to you about still. Cut you long story
Like the
short.
money?
No, I'm someone we can't make. You know, make yet. But you go make. You don't know. Because I get a powerful dream last night. Powerful dream last night. I can tell you what they go play next in a cash party. In case the first two jobs them are going the dream see them. Nah, I see last job. So that's on 2 grand I'm calling to find an idea, you know? So I can go and feel the idea. You know, invest in your brother, you know.
I get 2 grand, you know. But let me tell you this. You see the dream the way you see you get. You see when you win, if you win, I want my cut. If you don't win, don't buy me 2 grand and carry on give me. Because I don't understand you with this dream where you are as a get. Why you always come to me dream? You just always a gamble out the money, so.
You never have a dream, man.
Eh?
You never have a dream and believe in that dream, say you're going to achieve that dream. Like Martin Luther King.
Me get dream, yes, but I am not like you. I am not like you. You just take the money and you go gamble, and then you're not save.
I said, come on.
Listen,
Bruk to the rich man.
you're not gonna work so. You're not save. You have to save. You have to think about a morning.
Man,
You
tomorrow
understand?
provide for
You have to
itself.
think about next day. You can't just live so. Borrow. You're not a from borrow from me. You're a big man, you know. You're a big man now, you know.
See, you're bigger sister, so that means you're a bigger man.
When me go out and me go get my money, you don't know how me get my money.
I'm not busy about that. No, I don't mind business that.
Exactly. You're not busy about that, right? So why, as I get a little dream, bro, you run if you come to me if you borrow money from me. Eh?
I'm big sister. I'm big sister, man. Tell you, I'm big sister.
Yo,
Say it to me, wrong.
sometimes I wonder
Wrong.
if we have the same mother and the same
Come
father,
on,
because-
no bother with him, man. Come on,
Yeah,
come
yeah,
on.
yeah,
Come on,
yeah,
gosh,
yeah.
man. Money, Japa B-side. Come on, man. I just want to go, man.
Weird.
I like you smile, though, man. If you tough up your face, man. You can't look fit, you know. Hug your face, fit, you know.
Hold
Face,
on.
I'm brother-in-law.
Hold on, I don't want to. What?
Brother-in-law. See,
Look, you can't have brother. You can't tell me about brother-in-law. Brother-in-law. Which one of them?
yeah. You have to tell me. And you go and still. I don't want to tell you get late, you know. I want to make sure I catch you, job. See?
Go and catch it and make sure so when I win me get half of that money they call me. I go come out on social media and tell it. Everybody! All in name of them I go tell say, oi, he win the cash pot and he not give me no money all tight. Yes, I may take your code for it too, so go on. Me
Know
bring your
yourself,
code
man.
for it. And remember me tell you, if I lose, bring back double the money and bring it. Come!
Come like you don't
Alright.
believe in me, you know.
One way they go.
Come like you don't believe in me, you know. You see, we want to do the right. God is in it. God is here, but believe.
I jump.
Princess,
Come
where you going?
Yeah.
Oh, you have company? Oh, wait. Peter, get put it on him.
What you want?
Wait me someone. It's about time you go home now.
You know, so if you take one home to your wife, you know, you know you want home to your wife.
I just somewhere, problem there, yeah. You know, that's no problem.
We are drink.
Serve me one white rose special. That one of them. You see? You see? So, that's what you're going to do.
They are work.
So, every time I call the phone, I just please, you've reached the voicemail.
So where you coming from?
Eh? You miss me call the phone? You can't go to the beach and you can't have good times, girl.
Can you go beach?
Oh, you mean? You know, go to the beach and you prefer river?
Here's some shot at beach.
Alright, since you like it's river.
You know, I'm not going nowhere with you. Go and cry your wife, or your wife if you carry.
Oh, Jesus.
Every day come and I have to tell you the same thing. Go and go carry your wife, man.
Yeah, man, you know.
Why you want to carry me, go beach or river? You have a wife. That's all I'm doing. Walk on and look everybody. You know what? Every time the next bartender come and say to the tell her.
Which bartender? She tell you that too?
Of
That's
course
tell
she
you?
tell me that.
What she tell you say?
She said every time you come here, you want to go somewhere.
Yeah, cause she went to church. I'm tell her, I said, me never.
But you not got church, so you
Let's have a food, I said.
you know what? Come to stop.
Go on, we tell them stuff. Alright, yes. You know what something said?
No, me alright.
I'm here to say, every man need a man, a good man. To hold the night time. I'm say whole of mean say just make a sheet. You forget about the sheet. Yeah?
So what makes you a good man? Or you consider yourself to be a good man?
Because I know if you know if you handle myself, no? No?
Look here now.
Just give me the chance, but one chance more.
Look here.
Just one chance.
Me gonna tell you like how me always I tell you. Go home to your wife.
You know when I'm coming back? Are you when I'm coming? You know what's born? You walk fast on the road and you broke my toe. Eh? I don't know that.
Well, me appreciate the fact that you come spend your money with me, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much. But look here, I don't want nobody. You may tell me no want nobody. You have your woman already, so we want other woman to do.
Woman.
I'm saying, you're good. Look at them, everything going
Yes,
on.
man.
I am fine from.
Like a charge, man.
Charge down, put it down.
Then we get a charge, we get a special on the curtain. She ain't going with.
Yeah, I know she good.
I don't know, that one.
Just a check, I know everybody, you know.
That feel place.
Eh?
That feel place.
I got two.
Are you crying?
Everybody, oh.
Yeah.
What's the question, Mr. How? I'm charging you, so boy.
Them say we're not going to flock together.
Yo, put that money for the other place, man. Looks like it's $1,000. Listen. Yeah, you can't walk out.
No, you don't say still, I just want me shouldn't even do a rum bar and my credit card. Cash pad, I feel buy the money and I'm still not a power drink.
Cash back, you gamble? You don't gamble, man.
I want to stop.
You're going too far, man.
Come on, you go too far, but take one woman, sir.
Where is it going now?
One woman, what do you got?
So I can't even touch it.
Where touch
How
me,
much
sir?
money I spend on some money now? Eh?
No, I can't even
One number.
I mean, money what?
No, I can't even friends to them.
I dare go tell you somebody, see? Make it stay.
You control yourself still, man. You can't control yourself, man.
Control yourself. You think you're remote control?
Yeah, I'm going to go one time. I know you go. I get the clear there, man. That pressure belongs to my fault, man. I get that clear there, man.
Don't touch me in a big man. Look like you're making have things in here, you know. Alright.
You know, not talk about it. What's the same way? Huh?
7 bills.
7 days.
Mm-hmm.
So it
I like that, man.
like go first. You know, like
I style and try style from now.
Me and Bego, no. I don't want the arms out in here. Please, me and Bego, no. So if you not have to fight, bring it outside. Just give me the one to give me and go outside.
Get alright, get alright, get alright, I'm going to go across this place after artist. God see you know.
No, later.
Grasses go.
I'm going to go.
I don't care if you want that bar. Let's come at bar. Huh? I don't smile if you want. Huh?
Look here, I want to come down and pay me.
See me, man.
Me not see right now, abracadabra. No, you see me when you don't.
Oh, yeah, one. Aye, sir. Are you happy?
Meet me name.
So what you mean you just have conversations in here?
I'm a girl or something. If you be a video, come on, looks nice.
Me?
No?
Take a look at you, see how you're drunk and might take one home. I don't take to look. You take one home.
Don't leave me.
One in your yard.
Leave me
Let's
down
say
the
drunk.
road. By the river.
How many ever do in your life for you to endure them something here with them across this drunken man here?
Are you on your do? Never hit a machine off of
No. Let me make you go and body now.
Where you going
Give
back?
me my money. Where
Which
you got
money?
ATM? You never see that money before you come in here. Look at me, I have nothing here today, you know. I don't want them something that foolish they keep up, you know.
See, so that you never know spend that money before I come in here to check.
Me to check.
Pay and collect. Alright, you don't mess. Just I reckon I'm coming.
So come to that.
When you come to them, regular customer. You are. Alright, we'll have for them to come back. Soon come. Yeah?
Right, take that and go. Hey, you must have to come back in here. Better say not come back in here. It's alright. Oh, process.
I touch the road and forward still now. You know, man, I deal with one fast crime and forward.
What do you mean I do that fast time and come back?
I deal with one crime and I go up on the road to link my friend them also.
Where you go with that? Colby, where you go with that? time you left the yard, a fool in the shop up on the road go do.
Remember
Me
say,
not like your style.
no, I'm not.
You not go nowhere.
Me not go nowhere.
Yeah,
So
you not go
where you
now.
go eat? Where you go eat food?
You mean by that?
Where you go eat? Bills have to pay, you know, and things have to do, you know. Remember say, I know just turn up on the road every day and make things happen, you know. Remember say, why they about you mash up, you know, and be things, you know. You didn't even have nothing more than to just go up on the road and forward back. Me I go hustle.
Go
And
get
then
one
at this
9
me
to
do
5.
have, at this, no, 9 to 5. 9 to 5 now making money when me I make.
Bobby, me not like this because me scared. Every day me pray to God. Me know say that my nails and my hair and all this thing they can do, you know. But me scared, Bobby. Me not like when you go on the road. Me not like it.
So you try to tell me, say you gonna make money, you gonna provide.
Oh, me not provide.
So boy,
Yeah, I
just
get my nails.
alright. That's if you left
You
me
see them?
gonna make money and forward.
No.
Me no want you come tell
Like,
me
me
say
just don't feel
like
like you
no
go up on
man,
the
like
road
you
today,
want to
like-
try lock me down, me can't go up on the road, then I want to make money and forward back in that place.
I'm not saying because you have a next girl out there. Eh?
Me have a next girl out there.
Yeah, because you can't talk about more lock you down. I'm supposed to lock you down. Yeah, for me, man. I'm supposed to do that.
So-
You have rights
So
to do
you
that.
try to tell me say you feel like me down?
Yes.
Me not feel left.
No. Not today.
Not today.
Not today. Like, me
Watch
no.
on the man me here we talk to come on.
No, me ya talk. No, I know
So-
more want talk.
Yo, me dad them a wait for
Me
me,
no
you know.
business. They couldn't wait. They
We
couldn't
have
wait
a
for
deal with
now
one. Watch
till
on the
next
man,
year.
I have a mission to go up and watch on the
No.
man, you slow me down right now, you know, 'cause watch on you know, farm could I reach right now.
Bolby, you hear me and warn you. You remember last time I warn you?
What happened last
When time
time?
me I tell her say, Bolby don't go. And when I go, police run around. You remember?
But that me not gonna do no ADD. I don't like say then.
But
then
me tell her say,
watch on
me
me I
spirit
deal
and
with
tell
one
me
crime
say,
and forward man. Yeah,
you're
hold on, pull me.
you're not left to them man. No man. Wham. Bam.
No man, I show you say dog them a wait for me and watch on.
Let them wait. Tell them, call them. Tell later. Or tomorrow. Tell them tomorrow.
No, so you take me for you that door.
Oh, me take a for you there.
So you hold me up so.
Oh, me take a for you there.
You hold me up so far.
Because me no want you go nowhere.
You know
Me tell her say me no feel like you fi go up on the road today. And at that me say, and at that me mean what ya fuck? What that fuck? Eh?
you think you can buy it?
Ah jeez.
You go for me then. So, oi,
Oi, yeah,
calm down the man.
Bolby, no bother
Calm
go
down the
on
man.
road,
You so
this is what
forward.
me
You
talk
so
to you
forward.
about Bolby. What make you have there so?
Tell us I'm so forward.
Put up that no.
Oh, so I want to an idea. Normal,
Put up
normal,
yourself,
normal.
man.
Alright,
Put up
normal. But you make it thing look suspicious and now, man. Let me just deal with that and forward now.
Me tell her say me no feel like you fi go up on the road today. You know, listen, you know like something wrong with your Bolby. Listen now. Go on back in our house. Me will prepare your favorite meal and me go set bubble bath for you. Me
Bubble
go give you a special treat today. Yeah?
When me forward back, man.
No, man, do it now.
No, man. This is urgent. Me I go deal with. We done planning for last month. So you know, say after
From
a
when?
long time.
That's why you not
long
bother
time
go
plan.
to
No,
them.
man.
Bobby, listen to me.
Chana man, and me run his squad and Chana me no want me dog then feel like say yo, me feel them you know. Me not depend on that right now. You know.
Alright, go on.
But Chana,
It's
just
alright.
give me sitting them so far away.
Make sure that my phone no ring and nobody no call me. That's how me can see you. Every time I want to find a road with people. Every time. Oh, this one. I look so tired and wash out.
Alright. So, today is not a good day.
Eh, you know, sir, me say me I done wake up there, then come down here back or whatever.
It hurt me. Me have something going on in my bar today. One man, one old man. Me not saying old, one man with whole name 40s and one next younger you come there. And somebody will always a come there, but anytime in
Who
junk,
them there?
I be a foolish people. I soon tell you, okay, you know them good too. If you don't know them, you know one of them very well. It's like he come And him order, I make him order. Say one special. I give the special. And then, you know, when him drunk, he go with him foolish. If he want to make a beach, walk one, he be a foolish with that till the next one walk in. And they two of them start have conversations now. The younger one I said to him, say, walk one, we are there. So you know them one of them want to talk to them one another. And him then know the younger one order a special and a cigarette. Me give him. When me look, me see him say something to the next one and him gone.
Say,
He said something to the next one and he step out. So I say, yeah, pay for him. He might ask me, so where you know him from? I say, what you mean, where you know him from? I hear him say, conversate from him stepping here now. I hear him talking now, so what you mean, where you know him from? Here, him know, I say, look here now. You drunk, pay me money and go home and correct your wife. Give me money. He might tell me, say, he might forgot the ATM. And see, I cut this. And then he puts them in and drink and I find a little bit and give me some to keep it for him soon come. And I go step out, you know what I do? I just dash it out there on him.
I don't say idea. There's a big fool. So you see, from the first one come out I buy money. I'll buy a count and me a jump. And me a grab back and me a say pay money before you come out there. Pure money.
Them one on there. Yo, me the boss of them when I go come out.
But you know, you should have said, come here, you go beach. Me say, come, me want go beach, you take your time, come round the counter. So no come round the counter now. When you come round the counter, you go hold on pan the man.
You try to say no.
Awa.
Can you put dirty drunken man there in the party? It's same one.
Oh. The crosses?
Him same one, your crosses. I you like the crosses them.
The thing is that you need money. Yeah. You think me just go chat to somebody and they have money? Eh?
They not feel like you're a gunman here.
But you know idiot.
What kind of life you live?
Don't worry about that. In we all me go on this and I feel like I'm innocent. You feel like I'm not doing anything on the road. Understand? So you say about that. Awa.
Me gonna need you to get the money to give me, because I don't want to see him. I don't want to bust up him head.
No. Oh my God, now you have strength in front of me. But you never have strength when time in the down at your bar.
Alright.
You come in front of me and
I
ask me for
work.
money.
Me say you to give me money now.
Listen, I not get no money for you. I'm not working with you. You gonna give me some more time?
Which far? Me say. Me I encourage you to tell him, say, no, make sure say come with my money. Because boss me go bust up him head. You hear me? I tell you though. You see people like Uno. You see people like Uno. It's alright.
That's a bartender. You know your business because they love chat people. Because if you come in here, they know where you're going to say such and such first. Yes,
Go on.
I just happy from sir.
No man, don't worry about that. You know, say him send me a phone link. I'm on a mission for me to go find the idea.
Mission.
Yeah man.
Me and you.
Yeah.
What kind of mission?
But man, don't worry about that. I can't give it the details them too much. But watch the man just know see your money live. You see me? Yeah man. So you see
how much money sir?
Yeah, I'm to get 200,000, you know.
When?
Not today, tonight. After mission, what's up?
Man, I played me that come and say no bag of fear.
I'm telling you, I can run joke with you in the time here.
Marcus.
What one?
How much money you have?
Don't worry about that, man. Pick me. And me, I give work and you give me work. You see me?
I'm be a fraction of that. Share thing.
Right now, youth. Right now, watch out, man. I be a fool, I go on now. I'm not depending on you. So anything you depend, me depend on me quickly. So what you say?
Well, you want to you move, so what kind of mission that you want to know where you try to involve me in right now, brother?
Yes, sir.
Money, me not mention my friend, but friends say money, me ready, but
Yes,
want to know
sir,
what kind of mission.
Yes, sir. Question. You ever make you go for a mission and you have to worry yourself certain way. I mean, always make a strap up certain way. Yeah, Musa.
So you strap up on?
I'm not have to strap.
Bad man, I tell you something, I know come and with them thing there, brother.
I'm telling you what.
You
Yo, yesterday look at Sherm's style the way I give man bad boy. You know, me no work then we there, you know.
Millions me there
Then like that we are free, so we are say, yeah, we are
free.
wait for some, we have millions in your mind right now, my friend out here, I'm gonna make it, you talk about millions. You know.
That you want to know what you want me to do. That you want to know.
Just want you stay and look out. That's all, nothing more, nothing too hard. Matter of fact, you can't turn like car because you move like say you're afraid, you are.
But I'm never afraid, my friend.
So what you say, that me
Because
say.
I'm millions me there pray. Jail time without millions put on to pay a lawyer fee, you know, make sense, brother. And right now I'm frats, right now I 2 grand my while I got it 2 grand. Burn out, my friend. And I'm going to buy 2 tickets, my friend. Like you can't say it. So. Can you give me a 5 grand? But you know, I should go to them, man. I'll you not tell me what is what I know. I just want to put me a little fear to you. But you know, my frats I'm going to be a little thing. So if I can bust it on a 5
Yo,
grand.
check me look more, man. Check me look
How long? 30 minutes time?
Yeah, check
30 minutes.
Yeah, check me anytime.
And then next about what time we go for that movie?
6 o'clock, me call you, have a bird.
Yeah man, the bird active.
Alright.
But I come for that thing before that accident.
Yeah man, check me anytime after now.
Alright. Tell us them man, ever come in like a cross yourself still, but my dog. So I've gone. I'm going to tell you the reason, boss, you know? You're good? How am I general? Hello? Mama. Can't get what's up? 25 and 31 left. Until. Yeah, man. See what I'm going right now.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your
Get up, man, get up!
Yeah, again, wait, so, no. You got pay everything. How much are you?
So you never see me?
No, I never saw you, brother.
Yeah, smell yourself.
No, I can't smell myself. I know myself.
Jesus Christ, you man, Father, God, brother, man. Why you carry my name so? Why you carry my family so, bro? Eh? When last you looking at me and look at yourself?
I brush my teeth, man.
You don't look at yourself?
Yeah, brush my teeth.
You see public?
Yeah, me.
You see my brother when me and him used to reason and live good?
Yeah, bro.
You know mean to short at you, you know.
But that's the I don't say loud and me is that, I understand.
But the part where you go,
Which
life
part?
where you live, me can't manage that, brother, man. You just turn on big old junkie, so my father. Every time me step in the street, public, my brother, people are tell me say you turn junkie, I drop a roadside. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Wake up, no man.
Talk to me, man, if you're talking, man. So, I don't understand. Where you come here from?
Get up.
Get up.
Oh, turn up, right. Turn up. Turn up. You're not going to sleep and not turn up. Look there. Look there. Eh? Tell me the truth now.
What that? Yeah, my pa? Eh? Yeah, my pa?
You know, say me and your pa, me just cut you one puff chest, but me and your pa, you know. Public, you can't live better, you can't change your life, my brother. Eh?
You know, hey, every man having sorrows.
How you do catch yourself?
Every man having sorrows.
When last a baby?
You know where about that? You worry about that? What you worry about that for? And what you want? What you really want? What do I tell you say? Eh? What do I tell you say?
You don't know what you might tell me, sir.
No.
Everything what you might tell me, sir. See it there. Prove.
See, me know I'm gonna ask you. Me a drink and you drunk.
Yo, let me tell you something. You're a big man, you know.
Yeah,
and me a
know.
big man. But me must say we are blood brother. I don't make you make up. So me I will tell you something now as a big man. You see if you not change your life,
How you look for?
My card, me tell me card. Me can't find my card. I also I left me to buy for drive money for give one
See your card. See your card. You ate it. Put it on your head. See your card. Hold it.
Me lost my card for sure, man.
More you listen what me I say. Listen what me I say, brother.
Yes, sir.
Me I tell you say, you're a big man, and me a big man, and we are brother, and a Billy Bill up, a blood brother. You see if you can't change your life, me not good on with you, you know. You're up on your own.
Alright, just unblood me, just delete the blood.
I that you want?
If I
that you want? Alright then.
I'm gonna go through
Alright then.
Let me tell you something. Because me can't find my card. Let me tell you something, man.
So you go take a drink rum?
No,
Eh?
I'm gonna pay one bill on one bar down a place. I say, you know, the black girl, she always want me, she need me. I'm gonna tell her something I need her, but
Jesus Christ, Father God, you.
eh?
Oh, you see your brush your teeth this morning, you.
Around, man.
You want me done? Me done with you. Me done with your father. You're my brother again, father. Me done with you.
That's alright, drink a Bible, so I'm really busy with you.
Boy, I like little looks. Oh, you go now?
Yeah, man.
Say go on now.
You know,
Ready for this,
sir? Life, I don't even worry when you deal with that. Because that deal with that already, do you take too long for forward for the base, dog.
What do you mean me take two? That man a joker, bad man.
Who a joker? If you take too long forward for the joke, I didn't get paid neither, though. You know?
Yeah, man,
You
sir.
go and wait till my piece of food ready and one thing.
Some of the team that take a piece of dog still, you know.
Which dog?
Same piece of food, dog.
Which
I kind of chop in a half then.
Wow.
Same piece of dog you say I'm going to give man.
Yeah, mad. And you know, there when me I go deal with mission.
So, but now you go left me.
You say me go left you, you know, no timing.
You say you go call me.
No, me not no credit.
So, my fault, make you no credit.
Alright, tell me not call you, can't call me.
Brother, me could have go do other things
So
than
that's
my friend and put myself
something.
aside.
Yo, me ask you something. If me not call you, couldn't call me.
Me
Me
no
alone on
credit
phone.
neither. Me no credit neither.
Alright.
I say me broke, you know. I say me
Don't
and money.
argument, man. Don't argument. So you say I go on differently.
Then me there say normal out, man. But I may say still. You may go and check that I broke my advice right now, but that's all. That's all I remember. No, you're cool, you know. You're quick. You see you. See it still about that. You may okay, I can't give still.
How you find?
No worry about that. Fine, me fine. You know where me find how me get it from.
So me know you're a thief. Me have to ask you if I find it first.
You show me your friends and me tell you who you are. Say if me a thief, you're a thief too.
The thief, my friend.
Criminal. Let me say still. But say you know about anything more than me. So man just start, you know, get involved in something. You're more cyber.
So you try to tell you, so why wouldn't I tell you come over here now or what?
I mean, say tap and go. See that?
You realize, say tap and go.
Do you want gates still, you know?
Me just smell you. I'm smelling now. No, your hand in the
No,
head, man. No, man, your hand in the way.
Alright. Move on from what?
Let me tell you. Hold me shut.
Give me, put what, man?
Smell sweet, you know, like some kind of rich wave or something. Then sing, you know, if they're rich or poor, you know, smell it. If you're sin.
Oh, that's one like move France with them. If I carry man.
I know you want to that oxy.
So you say pretty friendly though. But still that could I want 50 bars still and I appreciate it.
So, what's the ball out of?
But no man, Bruk not now go on the word man.
Then you go down in the turn, let's see what going for that.
Regular day still, alright?
Listen, when you want to go down there to check it, because I don't know money upon you, but we have to check on the sooner like a rich people card, you know.
I don't mean I wonder what to do.
When you make up your mind, you can feel it charge now.
Watch her now. I like how that sound. So that means anything upon your mind, right? But we share it. How me feel if you share, right? That's up.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
So you say ready?
Yeah, know what I mean?
You know, you have a child now.
I do.
So wait, they tell me say not even the machine, they don't know where they end it. Look at Ice Age come from football. Come on, youth.
Yeah, man, that's why I like beg some of the friends to me in a youth.
Yeah, I'm walking it, sir. Who you go? Oh, yeah, dear. Nothing so long here, bar already, all the vibes, I know. It's like you're gonna be across with some man. Be a problem. What problem now? You don't know, say, me there at the bar today. And this man come there. Him always come there and buy, and drink and go out with him foolish and talk about, say, he want to carry me to the beach and him look away there. And me I said to the man, say, go home to your wife, some big man, go home to your wife now. Him there, I go with him foolish. You don't know what now. The man I go tell me, say, after I done order the special now, I go tell me, say, he never get forgot it. You tell me now. Drink out drink, almost drink all the special now, left one little bit in at the bottom of the cup. And now give me a sit down feel until you come back. Alright. Yeah. You couldn't drink over the madam watermelon no water cover. I dash it on him.
Well, me just say no. You should dash you and tell me to buy your next one because it drop out your hand in Ghana. You don't know style now, but anyway, I just see me I step out of the shop, right? I lock up girl. Because right now, I'm not going. That's a thing now going girl. You know me, come like the one suck a salt just dash it on me. You don't know. Me don't know, nothing at all.
So now you see me come.
Not me want lock up right now.
Never that way.
I go try find a way. Me try find a way out. You see me the right answer right now, I look confused, don't I try find a way. I'll see me brother him.
Yeah. I'm glad you mentioned him. You don't know, say, walking at the bar, him and the man, the same man I talk about, start exchange talk. You told them talking and them junking, go and go with themselves. And him, take me special. And me sick there for laugh.
So hold on there. Come here, boy, go spend much money instead.
Where's that spend money? Spend, you know this don't me I say? Me I feel laugh. The man coming at the bar like he have money. So me a special than a cigarette. By the time the man take up the one the cigarette, I gone through the door.
Because you are going him come up like since there, you know. And I come borrow me $2,000. $2,000 brother borrow from me. And I want me $2,000 because as I can see, nothing I'm going to say, see the $2,000 there? I couldn't take it and buy 120 for a craving here. See that them boy they come out so they want them buy 2 special and 1 craving here for bun. And then I have no craving here to sell them. Eh? See my brother is the weapon they farm against me. Come and borrow me $2,000 and take it and gone with it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It might need fairy tale story where I make up in my head, but no want my money, you know. No want my money. So what you saying?
I can't understand. Take your money and come take my things and just walk out of my bar.
You see, say a papi show. Let me tell you something. You want you to take yourself and go on my business. Because just one know, if I come to trust on
Hey!
My money. Where take my things from today? You never pay me for that?
Yeah, money, I want. Wait. Up. Look up. How much I forget?
7 bills.
7 bills. What special one for you?
I trust your trust. You never pay one time. $700.
You direct deposit to next store. Swear.
$2,000.
Don't worry about
If you the popcorn money for where you listen to what me I say and give me no talk. If you have popcorn money I give sheep where you give me $2,000.
You see you know. You will get the world will go drop your foot. And because you are not patient.
Yes, me not no patience for me to do my lick in your face. Remember me not no patience. Eh?
Excuse me, can I talk to my sister? Beg her to
Me want me rest of my money.
Hello, you get the money now, not
It's
you.
alright because me go set for you the next time. Don't
Set
worry
for what?
yourself.
Me nah come back here, boy.
Yeah, you soon
Me
get
nah
a
come
two
back here,
bills.
boy.
I mean, no, say I come shut up my mouth. Me know say I come and come with trust, but no trust you on here, so me can't trust on me shop because I guess I'm now. Me trust you, like boy, I trust out you. Me got to
You got trust out here,
shut
boy.
up your mouth, shut up your mouth. Me a chat to you.
Yeah, sorry, my sister.
Yeah, go on. Where's the now?
Everything, Jiggy. Everything you got right now. I clean off. You see me, because someone call for a bug up. Someone call for a bug up. Clean off, brand new suit.
Oh, I know bag.
Some clothes, man. Brand new suit of clothes, man. Touch your look, man.
Oh,
Yeah,
you feel lucky for me nose style gone left me now in a come and search the bag there again and know too.
But nothing in that, that's wrong. I come years.
So
I
what you say you go on now? What you say you go?
Put a smile on your face, man. You ever ring up your face like a screwdriver. That's it. No, man, that's too much. Take off a little bit. Alright, right. Such a man, we touch you at the come where you found it.
What do you mean by you touch road? Like what you touch road go do? What you touch road go do? Yeah, like you go spend a one bar.
Any part.
No, so I come like a lick your head. I me tell her, say, you see, me and you no come from the same woman. And a papa sperms get up. I guess what? What you mean by you go shell on me? So what make you not shell on yourself?
You don't go all and fries. When my hand and mirror more look for a woman and see that. Come like you're mad in your head. You have me drink and junk around you. I will make you go and read all advice. Tomorrow we can drink out the bar if you feel like. Such a man. But you want some gears, man. You're brave tonight.
Alright, listen, I'm change my mind here.
We're favorite. Remember, you know, you love your shrimp Alfredo, you know. Your little chicken breast.
Well, I know you're going too far now. Food party, you're going to think a rum party.
No, man, but I have to tell them to eat some food. So, can't get a drink and hungry better, my sister.
No, I'm not hungry. Don't do that. Me shop my name yam done, but me not hungry. Hungry belly boy, me not hungry like you. Cause I know me say I shop to go trust people business. And listen to me, you see tonight.
What business me trust?
No, you go trust out human business.
You don't go for trust.
I'm tell something. You see when me
be nice. Me walk out that.
You see when me listen to me now, man. You see when me reach at this spot, me want you stay over there. So. You understand? I'm stay over here, so I'm catching man. When me I catch you, catch who you want to catch over there. So. If you go wrong now, go wrong, you find yourself back over to my side. I'm going to change my mind, bo. Wait, I better, I'm want fever and Hennessy to drink.
Something these eyes.
Oh, what? No, me love that 2 weeks.
Oh, so you say, fever. And what?
I want fever and Hennessy.
How much
I want
Hennessy?
unstoppable too.
Well, that's how I'm still, right now.
Push it.
I'm breaking.
Push in the door.
Alright.
Come on now, you can chat so. Come on
One
now.
day at a time. Cause if me wish today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. I live my life like I just win the lotto. My dream, buy big Benz and dress lean, shell every bar like a crime scene. Do you know what I mean? Cause rich today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. Me I live my life like I just win the lotto. So me I go come millions. Got me gal on the billion. She act so silly. So me Africa Shelly belly big pop and love the way she whine. Love the way she take outside. Get to use, get to tree. Public report. Because if me race today I'm broke tomorrow, I just saw it go. Me I live my life like me just win the lotto. Ain't no pansy scheme.
Well, I'm not saying I said nice last night, boy. I live my life every day. So, Jaga, you. Listen, you stuck up your wife, don't tell you something. Alright, one day I'm going to say my deal, you know. Boy, right now I'm going to touch your road. Oh, my car. What's up? Yo. Where's the going? No, dog. Mash up money already, brother. Bad man, you mean? That must me tell me I left a party now. You say I want one more back in the daddy. I blame myself. Yeah, man. But what you know? I must say me buy a cash pad from yesterday and so I go. I check your card them. Because I believe I win sitting on 5. I check your ticket, man. Yeah, man, I can roll, yes. Well, yeah, man, so get piece of weed first. Come on, weed. Alright, my dog. That's cool. This is a piece of dog in my mouth. I'm broke. God, know you.
I want to make a face and say, I want to smile by your face.
Well, I already don't know when I'm going to smile, but it's so much name in this book, how much people want me, I'm canceling.
I know my fault. Are you want just out the bar? When I come home, you trust in my shop?
Me run a bar, me run a shop.
Girl, so last night been nice. Come face.
So what's last night?
Girl, my son, my brother can't go braff me.
So you get money from?
Boy, you see all the man we have point up shell so I shell Michelle on you all them day. Yeah. Them man get money from that no concern you. Just know that I'm braff last night. So when the boy show me I want where you call the bag then? The duffel bag. You don't want to see your man, you don't want to see no bag girl, that's what I go see. So I go so. I take a little peek down like a baby. Brick from brick. And then just step on top too.
Me have to go check him. Me have to go check him.
Him have to check him. He not pay last night.
Him not done pay me. And me still need to go check him and me and him business. That what him there drink up my bar and not just out bar you know there.
I'm too busy way you know.
I like you tell. You see it? A female them here.
Hey, right.
And a female them here.
So come my brother name from out of your book.
I long to your brother walk a chop some of it.
My brother have money, my brother can pay for you. My brother can pay for everything for your shelf right now. I'll pay for your service too. Everything in your shop, take all the fridge and everything you can pay for yourself right now. You're running your money, you're go 2 days. At 2 days you want to come. Show me tell us my brother have money now. You want to come with your card today. Pad up in bill. You see how no people stay. When you hear the people have money, look pad up them bill.
Me can't pad something right too much months ago. Me can't pad something right too much months ago. Look for the date there.
When you come last night, you say you going to
me talk about when combo yesterday. And that me talk about when combo yesterday. I talk about the book.
When you see I go on now, what happened?
I'm there and I'm there. I'm miserable.
So where you go last night?
I'm not going to come here. I'm here to be in a life on sleep.
Oh, your life sad, man. Your life sad. So me see money last week. So me I said.
So give me some other one again,
No. You say you go check him. What the reason why you go check your brother? Tell me now.
Me just share the book. You blind? You want glasses? When am I make brother get your glasses too?
That's a reason, but you have another reason back at it why you check him.
No, I just want to check him, forget what me forget, and then me we talk about anything else.
I beg you want to beg him, but just don't say anything why you beg him. Put on my cut out there.
Listen, well, you're not ordinary. You get too much money last time, you can't get for that thing
no,
now.
Girl, I don't get the money, I only drink him out and right now I move too tight with me. I don't like this style right now, so anything I get to give me a cut.
See the crime out of the bar when you come, when then?
England and sports.
So you go wait till money done before you come here soon?
What?
You wait till the money done before you bring one or something?
No, man, better let the money they can't done, girl. Come like in a year, me and say. That the money they can't done.
When letter?
You're deaf. What? No, ask me. Girl, stop from questioning my brother life. You know, we know a lot, so you just have money.
Alright, anyway.
Yeah, so all who used to walk and chat to my brother Bruk, my brother not Bruk again. My brother have money.
Love.
And all who used to sit down on the name and say my trust, he stop trust now. Anyway, it's a good doing.
Yeah, man.
I'm going business that now. Later.
Yeah, later.
Why? I don't know if I'm going to shop like, you want something to do. I'm going to check brother too.
And that mean I like today and I love walk and watch people business. That's all you do. When I hear pop down shop, I'm never come by your pop down shop come tell you say it one good. You know some kind of friend them me keep. But someone could kill his friend me really keep them. We gotta check one who owe me again.
Mad last night, you know, yo.
Boy, got it on your mind, though.
Boy, I said it, you know, yo.
Boy, I mess with my pepper chicken and boy, I be a pepper joke last night.
Even there, I say one at a time, them you would say, most can come get a food from you or something that, no.
Which food? I'm not cook now.
You know, no, me do want you to give me a piece of food and buy you a piece of food or something. A piece of food if you reach me from last night, no reach me tomorrow, me say they reach me, you know?
Remember, you know, daddy. I'm going to kind of shake down. I remember saying, I tell you I'm ready. I'm going to cut. They tell me, say, 2 more back, you know. I last money that buy 2 more back.
But you need to tell me.
See, the last 5 days, I just take a buy chicken and I don't get beaten. I mean, I don't cook it that much, but get up this, let me get up, sure. Get up this man now. See what I got on my flat foot.
Yeah.
Rise the car. Good over, go do a time, say, fed up. I saw me see, say, suck in the machine, and big house in the come up and escape. So I run now.
Yeah, so you make your machine take care of that?
I cannot make it. I'm flat foot right now, see me there, so I'm beg somebody so much for me to that. God no, I see the bartender feel good. How me feel right now? Shit,
no, like do it, you see your sister they go on one night. Last night.
Who?
I'm like how she go on
who?
to your sister.
Man, come like a high girl.
High girl what?
Man go find sitting
High girl what?
Now look for me sister, man. You don't come pour up my family, man. Man.
What are the food? You don't spoil up your family. You don't spoil up your family. You idiot.
Don't make me go from pitbull and dog. Don't make me go from my
You
dog.
shot that man. How you feel like?
Oh, don't make me go from pitbull and
You shot that.
if I'm praying, I got me say, man. God Almighty, man. I hear it.
Yeah, I try you sometime, you know, you. I try you sometime, you know. Try you sometime, you know, but still and still, man, like how your sister go on night, man, and on the night, let me see. She
Daddy,
had
top
feelings
10 about my
of brain,
sister.
man,
Top
you.
10 about my sister. You can talk about my sister. My sister take her. She happily married. You understand? You know the fan feel lifestyle. You know the fan feel lifestyle.
Too mad, down.
Right now, man, you're a criminal.
That's criminal.
I'm not no criminal niece and criminal nephew.
That's what I'm saying.
Take it off your mind. Take it out your mind. Delete it. God forbid it.
So you say I do the come. Where
God
I do
forbid
the
it.
come? Where I do the come?
I have a cash pack ticket and buy some cash pack yesterday. If you like them, because me when I number them, I'm going to play, post to win. Cash ticket there so I can go a little more car.
What do you have with cash?
See there, yeah. Right there.
What do you have with
What?
cash? That's circle there.
We circle you for the cash right. Remember saying that you still on beside full
Hey, we chat. Look come on.
You see it? Because me alone can run cheese like that on the phone money job on a phone self, you know, brother. That may tell you that more. So I set 800,000 there. You say, I'm going to do your work so I get you alive, but
Yeah, man, them people are playing me thing, you know, man. Yo, let's say I go on, man. No, say I feel me food, me call for link you about do cause right now, I don't like how man a play with man thing, you know, my friend. I don't play when it come on to me money, you know, man. What go on? What? You don't make me have to pray you and your people, you know. Cause right now, I start pray, I got a problem, you know, I'm going to want my food, you know, youth. And don't make me have to circle for my money myself, you know. Now go pretty. And watch out, man. Remember, say, I know where you live, you know, my friend. I know where everybody live here, you know. So don't go on like you want to run me and my food, you know, youth. Just let me get my money before it get done. That me I tell it to you.
Oh, so you want to live your life for yourself. I say you want to live for your life.
Oh.
No, you move like say you don't have one woman in your yard.
No, but
Eh?
remember, say,
No,
I say
you
you
come
know
in.
me,
No,
so me have to
no.
make sure say, yo.
You come in last night, right?
Mm.
And go back. You're not coming in till what? This morning. You come in, you wash up, you go back carry what again. And you just a come back in, Baldy. Baldy, me not like how you move, Baldy.
No.
You move, me not like how you move. You move like how you want to live.
No, but
Yeah,
remember, say,
you
before
know,
you know me are the type of person, me know want you try like you want to change me or something.
No, me not change up, but
You
you're
mean it
man,
sound
you live
like
with woman,
that you
now you're
want
supposed
to
to change up certain things.
No, man. No, man.
What me no, man?
Remember, say, no. Me a road digger, you know, my friend. Me have to dig off the road, you know, before me reach in the block, you know. I try to for your type of lifestyle, you know, my lifestyle. You feel like me don't know say you're a Rasta deal. You feel like me don't know say you're a little dirty Rasta deal. I true me don't want people say me go kill man for woman, me don't go bust off me head long time, you know.
Me is Rasta, which dirty drunken Rasta. Me Rasta not dealing.
Yeah,
I'ma
you're
tell
Rasta
you,
not dealing.
I'm gonna tell you something.
You're Rasta
I'm
not
gonna tell you.
dealing.
Yes, before me meet you, Baldy, me meet Rasta bar one day. Drunk as hell, I look me. And he said, give me a number. I say, you give me your number, right? When Rasta give me a number now, few days after, no, so me there bar and give me one piece of food there, so come the time say you have to give me a piece of food before me can collect the number. Because back in the days, me is the type of girl where me just chop man and go through, me don't care about nothing, me just chop them and go about my business. So Rasta give me a piece of food now, me collect his number. And so me collect Rasta number now, me not call him till what, 2 weeks after that, me call Rasta and tell him I'm hungry. And he just send me a piece of food. He send me a piece of food. He said, want me, I'm going to hotel. Right?
Yeah, you go hotel.
No, man, me not going to hotel living. Listen, no? What me do is, me say, you have to go buy me clothes to the hotel, you know. Rasta say, alright, no problem. He send the money to me. So I must say, when me buy clothes, I'm making, you know. So I buy clothes, I'm making, you know. Then me say to him, say, me book a hotel. So just give me money. So when he give me money now, me not book no hotel. From that Rasta, me see me back again. So enough people feel like some Rasta dey in a business because then see me I even collect little food. So me Rasta never in no dealings. Me just chop Rasta.
You take me for fool.
After that you want, after that you feel so you be.
So man just right now I'm there, right now I'm hitting 200 pound body, you know.
So no. So what you trying to say? You hear things about me, you know what I'm saying?
No, yeah.
I don't.
I have better fish. Right now I have bigger fish in fry and I put that for my head.
So
right now, as I tell you before, the street and my little happiness.
Listen, me can't go work with them, I be there. And that's one thing here today. Them be there, me can't work. Me can't go out with them man and me daily see man.
You get money though, you get where to get though.
No, I'm gonna tell you something.
Man.
And that we do no man, that we do no. When you feel like say, when you give woman money is not all that. We want comfort, we want love, and we want company. What you talk about? You think all the money make
watch
happy?
Watch a TV out of your dinner.
Watch it?
Like
Yeah,
a
I
comfort,
can't
yo.
How can I get this kind of fun?
Like a comfort,
Yeah,
yo. But because right now, me brain the day I say right now.
Oh, so every day your brain now go there. Every day your brain now go there. Alright, buddy. There, watch it. It's alright. Bartender.
What one?
I remember your work. And I front door again.
What kind of girl? Me going to back for something. I want to know. What one?
I'm just come to talk to you. Because this is one time I'm trying to change your life and stop do certain things. People take your past and tell you make you feel less of yourself. Which you and yourself know say enough to make nobody make you feel less of yourself when you change yourself. You understand what I mean? But long and short of the story is how would I feel if you live a year with your man, right? And every time your man come in going, as he come in, he just be left out, he just give you money. No, look for love him, no at all, then no make you feel comfortable. Then, when you attack him about it, he accuse you of having a man. Tell me how that look.
Normally I play the role where they might accuse you of, you know. So, that's a man stay, girl. They might ever talk about what they might do, you know, but they might tell you. And they might do it, but they might tell you, so they might do it. So, then stay.
Like, me don't know. Like, me used to bad, you know. Like, me used to chop man, you know. Back then, you know. But ever since we meet Barbie, like, me change because the type of person when be and me know what you can do. You understand? So me change with them the lifestyle there, but no man, this not safe. You know, look more the from my side.
Girl, right I know, you know, it's all of me don't have a man at home, me single. Sometimes I wonder if it make me start to twin, you know, because watch ya, me have the little bar, yeah, sometimes nothing like one. And you know me and my daughter sing at college, and me alone I try, but right about now, no, me still me have my eye on a little man. If I go check, if I go check before I come, they lock up the place while I go, you know. That's not your business. Mind your own business.
But before you touch this, you know, so me feel like more skip tongue, I guess. I feel like more go up in a little bar for myself somewhere else. Like how you have a bar.
Girl, bar business now going on. You might just a complain, so nothing now going, girl. But you try different business, man. What about the bar? Right now,
sometimes I'm the type of person where you be in and the type of location where you choose.
Probably.
You know? Probably. Anything else is still, but where is about the man, you know?
So you're so interested to know who me go check. So me go check one little man come here say things are going for him. Can you see that book here? It full up with customer who me see there. It full, me not tell a lie, see there? Full up. And in name in a book too, but me here say I don't know where what going for him. If I chop him and I lot of him win, but me here say him have the money. So him want go check it now.
Well, my dear, so wait, actually man have money I want to go check him and gold digger.
Hello, you me just the man in the book. So when I want to get gold or whatever my business that.
So how long trust me can end with him, and when the man get money, you want to come go to him man. I say, oh no, I say, man like man deal with.
So me tell us me I go there with come out to my bar. One way you go cause you crosses. She want me tell you how to
get that's salt. Because we tell us. You see, you're not getting no customer. You know, see everything still standing in your shop. Because this amount of what you have, just shop too much. That's why you can't get nothing in a line.
No, another. I told you take up salt for like a you and the next one on the road, no salt. One man check the people.
You on your shop and your location salt.
Nobody worry about me. I don't worry about me. Me I go check the command. Me you see, all the men we are customer going and customer going and she me tell the man him to go look the man now. Cause you love man, you go like you love man more than nobody else. You go like you love man more than me, but I like you.
Look at me. Just my face. Just my shape. Any man who want me love, I can get.
What you
tell me, I tell you.
What you
I choose me as I put them aside.
And look at gun boy where they with the email just mad over and complain about you want to skip on him. So you look a jumping one. You never want him again.
That's how the thing I'm past so I deal with that demanding.
And show him again.
Me and him never there.
I want you there.
Me just did a chopping food.
Oh, alright. One no, my friend. Take you. One next time.
You can't chopping food. You come here and contact me with junkie man. I wish I could get him. I leave him have money. And true, you don't know say you have money. That's why you're not running down. You see you can hold because that's why you see this a you know go nowhere.
That's why not what you do now go nowhere because you're bad mind. Where I walk and take everybody man. You know take this one here.
You know what I feel man. You know what I feel man.
You come back here.
You know what I know.
No, man, that's a big technical man. Who know me later? I don't know your bad mind, so take care, yeah? We come check you later. my book and you have.
Which
Come on.
book?
Where you mean,
See,
which book?
you know, come for 500.
You owe me 700, I remember.
700.
Hey,
How much?
700, so.
How much? How much? How much?
Remember, just say. And normally you don't come and you just say to me, say, yeah, take something. You know, take
No,
it.
but I don't trust.
You just grab it and walk out.
You
So guess
misunderstand
what?
the situation, you know. The situation is that me come back, look, have money to pay you, actually man get me ignorant, me just walk out.
Yeah, but don't worry about that. Remember, all the while you come, I'm going to trust the same way. So remember them little dividends
I know, long time. We go
Come
and
here,
meet all the time, you trust. Much time I go to see a bar, sir.
Look here, wait a minute.
You want time to see a bar?
I like your paper, your name around there in the book. Much time. But anyway, forget about that. I'm not going to come board. But just come to make it know, say, remember, say, all the time when they trust, I might buy you come when they never have no money. So what?
Hey, me nothing.
Let me ask you what?
No. If you tell me I'll go and buy 3.
Oh, we have the smoke?
You know,
Man, smoke, come on.
You mean like man smoke?
No, man, smoke.
But me smoke.
Yes, maybe don't press it on.
So, how are you going? You see, you have to check your temperature. You have fever.
Why?
I want my fingernail
You
put on
know,
all
we
these
see you
things.
like me, so we are top ball.
No. Say you like me?
Yeah, long time.
So you never mind?
No. You ever see a woman then?
Watch them way then.
No, I'm not no man. Long time.
See you want man?
Yeah. Yeah, now you more I'm just like, you know.
I like my shirt, man, thing.
Yeah.
Love it.
So we can work on that?
Yeah, me. Watch them keep it on the road. People know my business.
No, I don't know the business, so.
Right. So you can know.
I don't know what I go. Come here, so I walk and look at me see you.
Oh, I'm here to go to
Yes, so we are going to.
You know what I said? I want food, I go buy.
So, you don't understand. So when you come down the bar, come spend some money.
When I'm going to check you.
You can come later.
Alright, I'm going to take you later. I'm going to take you.
Yeah, man, of course.
I'm sorry, no problem. Where you drink?
Drink anything.
Alright.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Alright.
I remember me and wait for you.
Where you say you're going to see me?
Alright.
Yeah, you might spot one for me.
Alright. Later.
Alright, later. Oh yeah. Listen, I'm going to tell you, man. Yo, and if you tell us a printing about man.
To subscribe is free. You
One day
subscribe
at a
yet?
time. 'Cause if me rich today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. I live my life like I just win the lotto. My dream, buy big Benz and dress clean. Shell every bar like a crime scene. Do you know what I mean? Know what I mean? 'Cause rich today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. Me, I live my life like I just win the lotto. So me, I go come millions. Got me gal pan the billion. She a act so silly. So me Africa Shelly belly big pop and love the way she whine. Love the way she take outside. Get to use, get to tree. Public report. Because if me race today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. Me, I live my life like me just win the lotto. Hey, ain't no Ponzi scheme. This is just a dream. Yeah. 'Cause if me race today, I'm broke tomorrow. I just saw it go. One life to live, one mouth to feed. Yeah. Pasta, burger, chicken, pizza, curry goat, still none yam no pork. Goodbye mackerel, see you until me broke again.